Chad with the OneMelt team. Today we're going to talk about filter maintenance of the actual applicator itself and also of the unit manifold. So the time on which you should put this on your PM schedule, your preventative maintenance schedule, is going to vary depending on the adhesive quality that you use, the adhesive type and the quality that you use. Some chars faster than others, some does not. So I would probably recommend somewhere in that 4 to 6 month range. And if you're still getting good pressure through at the end of 4 to 6 months, you don't have any restriction in flow, you can extend that PM out a couple more months. But if you are getting restriction in flow at say the 4 or 5 month period, just back it up a month. So we're gonna first change our applicator filters, and then we will show you how to change your actual manifold filter. So first, obviously, you've got to do this when it's hot. Otherwise, solid adhesive is not going to allow you to back out the filters. So keep it hot, de-energize your pressure, and stop your pattern. Make sure all your safety is in place. Make sure your PP is on and your gloves are on to do this, because it is hot. You will be at whatever your applicator set point temperature is. Feel your pressure. I'm just purging the applicators to relieve the last little bit of pressure in your system. When minimal velocity is coming out, that's when you know you've got your pressure relieved. And take a 1/2 inch wrench. I'm only going to show you one, but do however many applicator filters you have. I have 2 here. I will show you one. These are disposable. You will have some adhesive leakage. Get you a catch pan to catch it. This can get just a little bit tricky. Okay. These are throwaways. New filter goes right in. Give that a few minutes to get back up to temperature before you reactivate and re-energize your system. So now you've done your applicator filters, it's time to do your manifold filter. Remove your cover, 6 Allen bolts. I've got mine loose. Your system pressure is still dead. I have a catch can just to help with some of the adhesive runoff, and also a place to put the old filter is going to be saturated in adhesive. Have a couple pairs of pliers. You'll need needle nose to get in there to physically extract the old filter. It's just a set in place. It is not a thread in place. And you will also need, obviously, your spare filter that you will be replacing with, and a 5/8 hex or Allen wrench to get your main plug off your manifold. So here we are, system's pressure is off, 5/8 hex. Your system will be bolted down, mine is not, so it's gonna wiggle a little bit when I do this. Open this slowly. There should be no pressure, but just in case, it's always good to be safe. Open it slowly, it's an O-ring seal, right? I don't feel any pressure on it anymore. So here we go. Going to place that in my can for now. I've got a pair of needle nose. Just go in there and get it. Here it is, in your can. New filter, we're going to put right in. Just drop it in. Your plug will put it into place. Your plug is still very hot, so be careful with this. We're going to torque this down. And once you have it torqued down, I would leave the cover off of it and energize the system with pressure and check for leaks. Check for leaks here and check for leaks at your applicator. And once you know there's no leaks, then reattach your cover and re-energize your pressure, and you're back up and running with new filters to last you another 4 to 6, 8 months.